How to fix blurry Instagram stories. Are your Instagram stories looking blurry, pixelated, or low quality after uploading? Don't worry, I've got some quick and easy solutions to make sure your stories stay sharp and crystal clear. Let's get started. First step is to check Instagram upload settings. Instagram compresses photos and videos to save data, which can lower quality. Here is how to fix it. Go to the Instagram app. Tap onto your profile icon at the bottom. Then tap onto three lines right here. Then tap onto the search bar and type media quality. Now here you can find just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the upload at highest quality. Now you can simply enable it. If it is disabled, simply click on this button and enable it. Step 2 is to check internet connection. A weak internet connection can force Instagram to compress your uploads more than usual. Try this. Switch between your Wi-Fi and data just right here. Then try to turn on the airplane mode and turn it off and refresh the connection. Try uploading from a different location with a stronger signal. Another step is to clear the cache. For that, go to the Settings app, open it, and tap onto General right here. Then tap onto iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and open the Instagram app just right here. Then tap onto Offload app to remove the cache of the Instagram. And after offloading the app, make sure to reinstall the app. And the final step is to update the Instagram app. For that, go to the App Store, just like this, and tap onto the search bar and type Instagram and search for it. Then open the Instagram app. And if there is the update version right here, you can simply update it. And that's it. Now your Instagram stories should look sharp and high quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.